Today we are making a ball launcher. So we have a funnel that we put 2 holes into, so we're going to make handles for the ball launcher. And we have a piece of rope, and we are going to put the rope in here. And we also have an assortment of balls that we're going to be using to play 3 games. And we have balls that are soft, hard, and have just different tactile elements for students who have any visual impairments. And then we have a bucket to shoot the ball into. We have paper towels to use as pins, like bowling pins to launch the ball towards. And then we have created a visual goal for students to launch the ball into. You will also need some sort of elastic band to make the straps on the ball launcher. What I did was I took a TheraBand, cut it in half, and now we will attach it. I have attached the TheraBands into the ball launcher. Students can use anything that's elastic-like. You can even use bungee cords. And I just tied knots at the end. That way we can start launching some balls.